Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Wormhole bridge for Solana to Ethereum transfers, complete guide step by step clearly. To activate the Wormhole bridge for Solana to Ethereum transfers, start by visiting the official Wormhole website. Ensure you are connected to a compatible cryptocurrency wallet. If you don't have a wallet, create one that supports both Solana and Ethereum networks. Next, make sure your wallet is funded with SOL for Solana transactions and ETH for Ethereum transactions. Once your wallet is set up, navigate to the bridge section on the Wormhole website. Select Solana as your starting blockchain on the bridge interface. Connect your wallet to the Wormhole bridge by clicking the Connect Wallet button. After connecting, you will see the available assets in your Solana wallet. Choose the token you wish to transfer from Solana to Ethereum. Input the amount of the token you want to send. Now, enter your Ethereum wallet address carefully. Double-check the Ethereum address for any mistakes. Once verified, initiate the transfer by confirming the transaction on your Solana wallet. Wait for the transaction to be processed on the Solana network. You will receive a confirmation message once the transaction is complete. Next, click on the Receive section to track your transfer on the Ethereum side. After a few moments, your token should appear in your Ethereum wallet. If the tokens do not show up immediately, refreshing your wallet may help. Congratulations, you have successfully activated the Wormhole bridge for Solana to Ethereum transfers. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.